Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: how do you know if your EARFUN Air Pro 4 are charging? So, if you want to check it for the charging case, at the back side of the case we have USB-C port. You need to connect USB-C cable right at this port, and if you see the LED light on the front side, meaning that your earbuds, the charging case is charging. Now, if you want to check it for the earbuds, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case, and once you put it here, you will see the LED light, meaning that your earbuds start charging. We cannot use the application to check it because, you can check how much battery you have right now, then put it to the charging case, and after, let's say, 10 minutes, check is the battery level changed. But if I put these earbuds to the charging case, right here we have no lightning bolt, and also if I connect my charging case to the power, there is also no lightning bolt, so I cannot use the application to tell you that it's charging your earbuds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!